Why should you attend the Nashville Connectionology Brain Injury Seminar? In short, traumatic brain injury is so different from so many other areas of law. It's something you have to learn. It's not intuitive. In fact, a lot of it's counterintuitive. Why an MRI could be good for your case if it's normal, not abnormal. Why a CT scan that's normal can be good for your case, not abnormal. These are things that you learn from going to seminars and hearing from experts in the field. I've been very fortunate. I've actually recovered now 6 separate trial verdicts of $1 million or more on insurance company offers that were between $0 and $30,000 before trial. Now, part of that may have been due to really, really bad case selection, but I think much more it's due to standing on the shoulders of giants. Make no mistake, this is a conference of giants. You'll hear from some of the best lawyers in the country, brain injury lawyers like Dorothy Sims and Diane Weaver, Randy Scarlett. You'll hear from some of the best trial lawyers in the country, like John Romano, like Mark Lanier, Satch Oliver, Joe Freed. You'll hear from some of the smartest lawyers I know in the country, like Mark Kozaratsky and Morgan Adams and Ken Levinson, and so many more. These are the lawyers that have completely transformed how I try brain injury cases and who I owe so much to. And I know if you go to this conference, it will completely transform the way that you try these cases and the settlements you get on your brain injury cases. So I look forward to seeing you in Nashville.